What is a better way to save a day-old rice than cooking an easy, quick, and delicious garlic bacon fried rice? Fried rice is a dish of cooked rice that has been stir-fried in a wok or frying pan and is usually mixed with other ingredients. What's really nice about this dish is that it's open to a lot of possibilities. For me, there is no right or wrong fried rice. It is a matter of personal taste and preference. Here are the ingredients I'm using today. Again, it all depends on you and especially what ingredients are available at home. For this particular dish, garlic and bacon are the star ingredients. That's why I'm using quite a number of cloves. For the green onion, I slice it into half. I separate the lighter part from the darker green. I add the light green onion when sautéing, while the darker green is for garnishing. For your garlic, peel and then mince. I like adding some ginger to my stir fry. Scrape off the skin and then slice finely. Basically, you mince all the ingredients for your fried rice. Do the same with your potatoes and carrots. Now I'm done peeling, slicing, and mincing all our ingredients. Now let's move on to the rice. I like adding the eggs ahead to the rice. And then I add just a little bit of salt and pepper. I give it a quick mix so that the eggs, salt, and pepper are properly incorporated. For the bacon, slice it into small pieces. You may replace the bacon with other meat products depending on your preference. You may even use a leftover roasted chicken. I cook the bacon first onto a hot pan. I did not add any oil as the bacon releases its oil once cooked. Once golden brown in color, remove the bacon and set it aside. I remove some of the bacon oil from the pan. Then I use just the right amount for sautéing the spices. I start with the garlic and cook it for about 2 minutes until it starts to brown. Add the onions and give it a couple of minutes until it starts to caramelize. Then add the other remaining ingredients: ginger, the light green onion, and red bell pepper. I cook the potatoes and carrots for a few minutes before adding in the rice because we like it tender. After a few minutes, then add in the rice. In this process, you are actually cooking the egg. Add in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, give it a mix, and make sure to taste it first before adding more salt and pepper. Now this part highly depends on how you want your fried rice to taste like. And finally, add in your last ingredient, the bacon. Just give it one final mix and you're done. Sometimes I garnish it with green onions straight from the pan. I also like adding in some toasted sesame seeds. Then I serve the fried rice straight away. Or you may want to transfer it in a separate dish. Garnish it and then serve. And lastly, you may also want to be extra fancy by serving it like this. I hope you like our video today. I appreciate you dropping by. Try making our delicious garlic bacon fried rice. And as always, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!